until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago po tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng mga palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Jen Sarosa and First Officer Don Bonsai, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, we sincerely apologize for the delay of this flight, and we hope to make it up to you in one of your future flights with us. May you have a pleasant stay here in Singapore or wherever onward destinations may be. Muli po kami po'y nagpapasalamat sa pagpili at pagsakay ninyo sa Cebu Pacific Air.